Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing the Samsung a track phone. I don't have the SIM card for it as well, and the ribbon cable's broken. I also put adhesive on the battery to hold it in throughout the drops. So let's go ahead and push this down. Oh shit. Okay, well the Note 10's fine. It just cracked the glass screen protector, so that's fantastic. So we're going to start that. Go ahead and start the Note 8. And let's go and drop this. We're going to go a little bit higher in the head height as well on this one. So in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Didn't crack the camera. Let's grab our back cover. Took a couple of marks up here at the top and on the side. A couple down here maybe. Still pretty good though. Let's go ahead and do the corner drop. Get both of these started. This is going to be a pain to edit, guys, now, but I think it's worth it. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so it slid on its face over here. Definitely hit right here at the bottom. Wipe it down a little bit. Yeah, not too bad though. I was expecting a little worse. We're going to start the slow motion, and we'll go face down, and then we'll go with a face down, or a actually let's go with the slide like this, and see what happens on the corner with it slid open. In 3, 2, 1. So as you can tell, the battery came out on that one. There's a little adhesive. Oh, the adhesive's on the battery. I'm actually going to start putting batteries in them when I draw test them to give them that extra weight. So let's see, we dropped it on this corner. It looks like it hit maybe right here a little bit, and then straight onto the back. Might have been more of a backdrop than anything. Let's go ahead and do the face down drop. In 3, 2, 1. Hopefully that was a good one. Man, I can't tell. I'm gonna watch slow motion real quick, and if it didn't land on the face, I might redo that one. So give me just a second. So after looking at it, I sat down and looked at it. It hit right here. Let me wipe the camera lens just real quick. There we go. It hit right here. So we're gonna go ahead and redo it. Do another face down, hopefully get it dead on this time. In 3, 2, 1. Now that is what I wanted. That was perfect face down. A couple nicks on the little plastic screen cover. Nothing too bad. The battery, looks like the battery cover is unsnapped. Let's go ahead and bring the Note 8 out here. I'm gonna try to go farther back this time, because I feel like every time I try it, I keep going too far. So we'll see if that works. We'll angle this up without dropping it again. Dropping my $1,000 phone's always fantastic, right? Alrighty, let's go and do the throw test. Swap hands real quick. God damn it, dude. Okay, I swear to God that tripod is going to break my damn phone. Okay, now let's go for it again. In 3, 2, 1. It's going to pull that and set it there so it doesn't break again magically. Oh man, that hit hard. There's the back cover, the screen cover, it has a rock on it now, and the battery, which I can see the rock sticking to it because of the adhesive. It doesn't look too bad. I think it hit on the face because the LCD looks cracked. I'm pretty sure it is. I think there's a whole bunch of lines right through this way. So anyways, guys, I'll do another video when I get back to the house on the updates on them, see how they did, and stay tuned for the next one.